students, today we are discuss index number remaining part. Dear students, today we are discuss weighted index number. Dear students, we have a two method of weighted index number. The first one weighted aggregative method and next one is weighted average price relative method. Dear students, we will find out the index number with the help of weighted aggregative method is three method. The first one is last pair method, next one is Paasche method, and next one is Fisher method. So dear students, first of all we discuss the formula of last pair method. The P01 is equal to summation P0 Q1 divided by summation P0 Q0 into 100. Next one, Paasche method. The formula P01 is equal to summation P1 Q1 divided by summation P0 Q1. And the Fisher method, P01 is equal to under root summation P1 Q0 divided by P0 Q0 summation into P1 Q1 divided by summation P0 Q1 into 100. So today we are discuss first of all formula and after that we will solve the question. See guys, the formula. See guys, that's weight index number. We have a two method, weighted aggregative method and weighted average of price relative method. First of all, we are discuss weight aggregative method. We have a three methods of weight aggregative. The first one is the last pair method, Paasche method, and Fisher method. First of all, the first last pair method is formula P01 is equal to summation P1 Q0 divided by summation P0 Q0 into 100. Paasche method, P01 is equal to summation P1 Q1 divided by summation P0 Q1 into 100. Fisher method, it is a mixture of last pair and Paasche. So P01 is equal to under root summation P1 Q0 divided by summation P0 Q0 into summation P1 Q1 divided by summation P0 Q1 into 100. So dear students, we will find out the question with the help of all three methods. That's the question beta. Find index number with the help of last pair, Paasche and Fisher method. That's your question. Quantity is given, price 2013, quantity 2013, price 2004 and quantity 2004. So 2013 price and quantity, that's your base year price P0 and base year quantity Q0. 2014 that's your current year price and 2014 quantity, that's your current year quantity. So dear students, according to formula, first of all we will find out P1 Q0. That's your P1 and that's your Q0. Clear beta? P1 3 and Q0 40. Clear? So that's your 43 is a 120. Next 2.5 into 30 is equal to 75. Next one 1.5 into 50 will be equal to again 75. Next one 2 into 20 is equal to 40. And that's your summation P1 Q0 is equal to 0 1 3 310. Next one we will find out P0 Q0. So that's P0 and that's Q0. 40 2s are 80. 30 into 1.5 45. Next one 50 into 1 50 or 20 into 2.5 50. That's your summation P0 Q0 equal to 5 2 2. Next one we will find out P1 Q1. So that's your P1 and that's your Q1. 23 is 60. 40 into 2.5, 100. 30 into 1.5, 45. 80 into 2, 160. And that's your summation P1 Q1 equal to 5, 6, 3. Next one we will find out P0 Q1. So that's your P0 and that's your Q1. 22s are 40. 40 into 1.5, 60. 30 into 1, 30. 80 into 2.5, 200. That's your summation P0 Q1 equal to 330. After that we will apply the formula. First of all, last pair method. The formula P01 equal to summation P1 Q0 divided by summation P0 Q0 into 100. So that's your summation P1 Q0. Summation P1 Q0 310 divided by summation P0 Q0 225 into 100 will be equal to 137.7. That's your answer. After that we will apply the Paasche method. In Paasche method, the formula P01 is equal to summation P1 Q1 divided by summation P0 Q1 into 100. So dear students, P01 is equal to summation P1 Q1 365 and divided by P0 Q1 330 into 100 equal to 110.6. That's answer. Now we are discuss the Fisher method. The formula P01 equal to under root. First of all, summation P1 Q0 divided by summation P0 Q0 into summation P1 Q1 divided by summation P0 Q1 into 100. After that we will put the values in the formula. P01 equal to under root summation P1 Q0, that's your 310 divided by 225 into में P1 Q1 365 divided by 330 into 100. So that's your P01 equal to under root 1.378 into 1.106 into 100. So P01 equal to 1.2345 into 100. So P01 equal to 123.45. That's your answer. So you will find out index number with the help of last pair Paasche and Fisher method. Dear students, first of all you will mention your formula. After that the formula recommend P1 Q0, then you will find out P1 Q0. You will multiply P1 with Q0. After that you will require summation P0 Q0. So that's you will find P0 Q0, and that's your P0 and that's your Q0. So you will multiply P0 with Q0. Clear? That's your find, and that's your summation. The Paasche method is also summation P1 Q0. Then first of all you will find out P1 Q1. So that's your P1 and that's your Q1. You will multiply P1 Q with Q1 and summation it. After that we required summation P0 Q1. So that's your, you will find P0 Q1 and that's your P0 and that's your Q1. Clear? And that's your summation. The all values put on this formula and calculate, that's your answer will come. Fisher method is the mixture of the last pair and Paasche method. The first portion is last pair and last portion is Paasche method. So the both value put in the formula and calculated, the answer will become. Clear beta? So dear students, you will solve out in your books the all questions of index number of last pair, Paasche or Fisher method. Clear beta? Clear? See the question. Dear students, you will also choose your attendance daily in your group, because the 75% attendance must be shown in CBSE beta. So my dear students, you will choose your attendance. Clear? Thank you beta.